Carne Guisada is one of the ultimate Tex-Mex comfort foods, and today we're making it my way. Savory, satisfying, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. On medium to high heat, you want to add in your grapeseed oil. Then I have some salt, pepper, oregano, and cumin that we're going to toss in our oil. Give your seasonings and your oil a good mix. Then add in your stew meat. Now we're just going to saute our meat until it's brown. Now I've cut up some chuck for some stew meat, but you can easily find some stew meat prepackaged in your local grocery store. Once your meat is brown, add in your tomatoes, garlic, onions, and serrano peppers. Now saute everything until your onions and garlic are fragrant. Now that our tomatoes and onions and all that jazz have cooked down, we're going to add in some flour. Stir it really good until all of your meat pieces are covered and you have somewhat of a chunky meat gravy. Now add in your water, beef broth, and remaining seasonings. Stir it really good to make sure that everything is nice and combined. Bring this to a boil, then simmer on low to medium heat and cover. We're going to let this simmer for about 1.5 hours. Next, remove the lid, stir, and let simmer for 15 more minutes uncovered. You'll know it's done when it looks like this, and if yours is still a little runny, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a slurry made with cornstarch or flour. Now let's dig in. So good. Savory, with a little kick to it. Amazing. And remember, if you try any of my recipes, tag me and #ElevatedComfort. See you guys next time.